Hey everyone, this is Casey from GravityKit, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to display your Gravity Forms entries on the front end in a table. So we're going to do this using the GravityView add-on. And what I'm going to do first is just show you my form and the entries that I've collected. So I'll go to the Forms page. You can see I have a form here called Job Applications. And if I go to the entry screen, you can see I've collected all of these applications through my form. So now what I want to do is show these on the front end in a table. So what I'm going to do is hover over GravityKit and go to New View, and I'm going to enter the name of my view, and then I'm going to select the form, and this is going to be my job applications form. So this is going to be the data source for my table. Next, I need to choose a view type. GravityView supports a range of different view types, allowing you to display your data in different ways. But for this example, I'm just going to select the simple table view type. There we go. And now we're inside the view editor where we can actually configure our table view. So you can see GravityView adds some stuff here for us automatically. For example, we've got a search bar added to the top widgets area. We've got some fields added here. These are the fields that are actually going to show up in our table. These are essentially the columns in our table. So we've got the applicant name, the email, the position, the years of experience, and the status. And that's great. So if I want to change things, I can add additional widgets here. I can also add additional table columns here. Here I can add fields from my form. There are also some custom fields that GravityView adds. You can also add meta fields like the date created, for example. Maybe I'll add that. And then everything is drag and drop. So you can drag this to a different position. And yeah, everything's looking pretty good. If I scroll down, you can see there are a lot of different settings here that I can configure. And if I click on the Styles tab, you can see this view gets created automatically with the new Vantage theme. And I'm going to leave that as is. So everything looks good. Let me publish the view and let's check it out on the front end. Okay, so here's what our table view looks like on the front end. We've got just a basic search bar here where you can search by keyword, and then all of our entries displayed in this nice table. But let's go back to the view editor and make some adjustments. So the first thing you'll note is that there's three tabs here at the top. So we've got multiple entries layout, single entry layout, and edit entry layout. The multiple entries layout is what I just showed you. It's the main table with all of our different entries. The single entry layout, if we click on that, that shows us more information about a single entry. So we can click in to view that entry in full. And here we can choose, again, what fields show up on that layout. By default, GravityView has added them all here. And then we have the edit entry layout, which actually allows you to update entries directly from the front end. And if you enable user edit in the settings, then users can update their own entries from the front end. So let's take a look at this on the front end. So here's my table view. And if I click into the applicant name, here I am on the single entry. I can view that entry in full. And then I can click edit entry. And that takes me to actually update this entry directly from the front end. Okay, great. So let's go back to the view editor. I'm going to go back to the multiple entries screen. And what I'm going to do first is just add some additional fields to the search bar. So I can open the search widget settings. And here you can see we've only got a single search field, search everything, but we can add additional search fields here. So for example, I'll add a field for the applicant name, the position, and the status. There we go. And then if I go into the row settings here, I can actually change this from a stacked search bar to a horizontal one where all the fields are side by side. And then down here we have the submit button. Again, all of this is drag and drop, so you can change the location of all of these different parts. And then the search mode. And that allows us to adjust how searches are carried out, whether they should match all fields or match any field. And that can also be something that we hide or we show to the user on the front end. Okay, so looks good. We also have the space for an advanced search where we can add additional search fields. But let's leave that for now. And let's update the view. And then we'll refresh on the front end here, or we'll first go back to the multiple entries page. There we go. So it's looking great. We've got a search bar here with all these different fields that we can search across. And we have our table view with all of our different applicants. Okay, great. And then you can see if I just filter on, for example, status reviewing and search for that, the table updates, and I can see the two applications that are busy being reviewed. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just giving you a taste of what you can do with GravityView. It's a very powerful plugin. There's a lot of different options and things that you can do. But if you're looking to display your entries in a simple table, GravityView is the perfect solution. Hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.